far away from the Earth was about as strong as the Earth's magnetic field. Now, I had been taught, and everybody else had been, that the sun's magnetic field would be negligible. And so it presented us with a tremendous confrontation of how could that be so?
Venus and Mars are all right tonight. Is there life on Mars?
The one planet that was most intriguing to humans, human scientists, was Mars. Mercury was closer, but it was very inhospitable. Venus was the nearest one to us, but it was very inhospitable because the atmosphere was toxic and hot.
Mars showed seasonal variations that suggested something was alive. And I think that was the basis for creating Viking, to see if there was life on Mars. When we got down and found out how dry and arid and barren the place really was, came as a bit of a surprise.
I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain.
We had hoped to find microscopic life. The thing that happened that kind of left us in a quandary was the 3 experiments that were directly life detecting. Did it breathe? Did it eat? Did it do photosynthesis? All said there's something here. And when you tried to find the dead bodies, you couldn't. So that kind of left us in the position why the jury is still out.
In the end, we ended up with 2 successful landers on the surface and 2 very successful orbiters that exceeded their lifetime by many, many months. So obviously, we were all elated, and all you could say, we did it, we did it.
When we flew by Neptune, people were standing in line at night at planetariums in order to be able to see the images coming in from Voyager, because they weren't on the web in those days. There was no web. You had to go somewhere in the middle of the night to see it. It became a worldwide event when Voyager was flying by these worlds, and I had no idea that it would have that kind of an impact. And of course, that in the long run is the most important thing Voyager's done, is show how much there is, the new frontiers of space.
You're a shining star. No matter who you are, shine bright to see.
The 1970s really saw the start and heavy activity in the project